Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with one more series of Gd&T certification videos. So there were multiple questions within my network of professionals as well as the colleagues and my YouTube subscribers regarding the Gd&T certification, how to go about it, what is the benefit of it, how to do this preparation, and most of the questions I thought would do a series of video to help all the folks there. So stay tuned for multiple videos related to Gd&T certification. So majorly about me, quickly I'll introduce myself. I'm an engineering graduate in industrial engineering and management from Vishwesvaraya Technological University and India, and I did my tool and die making from NDTF, and then I also did precision engineering in precision machining from ITE Balestier. With I have a 20 plus years of industrial experience in different domains like manufacturing, semiconductor, and aerospace engineering and management. I am also ASME certified in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing professional. Hello friends, this Gdtp personal certification is actually investment in your company. Basically we can look at it in terms of cost savings, avoid costly mistakes, and reduce the manufacturing rework and inspection through proper Gd&T application and interpretation, reduce the production delays, safety issues, and improve the customer satisfaction. In case of get to market faster, accelerate the product life cycle by reinforcing the uniform engineering drawing and documentation interpretation in your company from design to manufacturing to inspection. Avoid confusion and missing steps throughout your extended supply chain. And this also the personal certification also brings a competitive advantage to your organization. ASME Gdtp certification sets an industry standard for the dimensional engineering and respected by the employers, customers, and peers. A Gdtp certified team can increase the revenue, win new contracts, and fulfill the government contract requirements. Showcasing your Gd&T program earns a customer trust for the precise and efficient product delivery. Gdtp personal certification is also an investment to in your company by means of communicate with consistency, precisely convey the design intent, and improve the quality and consistency of your products with the help of internationally recognized and accepted standards. Improve drawing translation and communication of the product designs among your staff, suppliers, and customers. So the benefit of Gdtp personal certification is not only in terms of individual being recognized globally as an expert in the application and use of Gd&T, but also it's a good investment for the organization in terms of cost savings, get to market faster, competitive advantage, and communicate with the consistency. Hope you enjoyed today's session. You find it informative. Please like, share, subscribe, comments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Happy learning and stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.